Come with me while I make 5 TikTok videos today. I do sew something for every video, so I'm gonna be making 5 things today. I'm gonna try to do quick things so that I can get them all done. I try to post a TikTok or a short every single day, and my husband's gonna be away for 5 days, so yeah, I'm just trying to bang them all out today. I am gonna change my shirt for every video, so it looks like it's a new day. You guys will know the truth, but I don't get a ton of views on YouTube anyway, so not that many people will know that they were all filmed in one day. I do have a sidekick until 4 o'clock today, so I'm not completely off the hook with kids. I'm gonna feed him lunch and then go put him down for a nap, and then we'll get started. He is protesting nap time, so I am losing sewing time. I am not feeling this shirt. I am not gonna lie, the behind the scenes of this is so cringy, but I didn't look at it till later. Filmed my intro real quick and then started sewing. I also filmed a quick transition one. To get them all done in time, I'm cutting corners and I'm not changing my thread color, so that's why the thread is the wrong color. Okay, the first one is done. It's this little squirt. It took about 20 minutes. I'm changing my sweatshirt really quick to look like a new day. Okay. I have this thing and I just stick it where I want and put my phone on it and film. I need to decide what kind of top I want. Cute little long sleeve. I don't know. I was filming and then my phone storage was full and it didn't save some of the cutting for the TikTok I was making. Thankfully, I have one of these which plugs into my phone and I can back up videos. So I just spent the last hour backing up videos, which is definitely gonna set me back a little bit. It's 1:45 and I'm gonna try to finish this one by 2 o'clock. So we'll see if that can happen. And I haven't sewn anything yet for it. All right, this is what I have to work with for day 2. By the way, this is not my usual flow. Typically, I just sew during nap time if I get a chance. All right, I'm done video 1 and video 2. It's 2:05, so I'm not that far off from schedule. I do have to make 3 more things though. I did film an after real quick. Okay, since day 2 is slightly tacky, I'm gonna do something super aesthetic for day 3. I'm gonna flip this sweater into a baby boy romper. I really would like to make it a full-length sweater, but it's too short. My boy is just slightly too long. So instead, I'm gonna make these a dressy little short set. I just filmed the intro and I forgot to change my shirt. So I'm gonna have this shirt on in 2 of them. That's okay. Okay, so number 3, I really hope this fits them because it's so cute. It's 3:23 p.m. and I started around 12:30. I put on a plain red shirt and some lip gloss, but I already got something on my shirts and I'm still gonna wear it. Tell me what to say for my intro for my video.
You gotta say, dog, this is wrinklier than a bulldog snout.
I can't say that.
Why?
I think it's pugs that have the wrinkly face anyway.
It's a Shar-Pei.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's not a bulldog, but
I don't think I want to say that though.
they're cute.
Yeah. I don't think being wrinkly is like a reason to flip it.
Dog, why don't you make something blue?
No.
It's blue.
I don't know what to say.
Say time for the old flipperoo.
Time for the old flipperoo. What did you do? What did you do? Oh my goodness, you're guilty. You're guilty. Everything was falling apart on video 4. My dog chewed up a diaper and then I broke my needle. I did film a quick video of my needle broken. My cover stitch skipped every other stitch. The light has drained from my eyes. I'm on the verge of quitting. I got cocky, thought I could sew fast, and my machine said, I'm gonna humble you today. I'm gonna humble you. After the universe being mad at me, I did finish the 4th thing. It's time for some chicken wings. And I'm gonna eat real quick and then I'm gonna get back to sewing the pants. I'm done! Okay, video 1, video 2, video 3. And then actually I'm gonna do these together in one video. So this is video 4. So I really only made 4 videos, but then I did do that one random little video. I could definitely sew something else today, but I'm at the point where I'm messing everything up. I'm breaking needles and I think it's best if I just step away. I forgot to mention, so I filmed 4 short videos today with 4 different things, but then I also filmed the transition video showing like the before and the after. So really 5 videos, and then I did do the one random video with the needle. So the 4 videos that I sewed, I will do quick photo shoots in the morning of my kids, and then I just edit them the day that I post them. And right now I'm gonna have a mess of footage in my phone.
The next morning, I woke up still in my red shirt and I did a quick photo shoot before school. I don't ask my kids to stand still. I just let them move while I take pictures. This is how day 1 and 2 looked. And then my favorite is the baby boy romper. I'm not gonna lie, I am impressed that in 5 hours, I was able to make 5 pieces for my kids and record 6 short videos and this video. I will say I did just make the quickest things possible. Honestly though, my kids all got a cute outfit out of the deal. If you like me or my video, please let me know down below and like and subscribe. See you soon.